Living small doesn't mean living cluttered. Today, we're sharing smart Amazon finds that help you save space, stay organized, and make everyday life easier. Links to every product are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the HOOBRO Rolling Kitchen Island, a smart way to add extra counter space and storage to your kitchen. It features a spacious work surface, shelves, and storage compartments for cookware, small appliances, and everyday essentials. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move wherever you need it, making it a perfect solution for apartments, small kitchens, and homes that need a little extra workspace. Number 2, the KitchenArt Spice Carousel, a convenient way to keep your favorite seasonings organized and within easy reach. The rotating carousel lets you quickly find the spice you need while saving valuable cabinet and countertop space. Its compact design helps reduce kitchen clutter, making meal prep faster, easier, and more organized. All products links are in the description below. Number 3, the Chef Finger Guards for Cutting Aid, a simple kitchen tool that helps protect your fingers while slicing fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. Just slip it on and enjoy added peace of mind while chopping with a knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it's comfortable to wear, easy to clean, and a great safety accessory for both beginner and experienced home cooks. Number 4, the Mini Cup Fruit Slicer, a quick and easy way to slice small fruits in seconds. It's perfect for strawberries, grapes, cherry tomatoes, and other bite-sized fruits, creating even slices with just one press. Whether you're preparing snacks, lunchboxes, fruit salads, or desserts, this handy gadget saves time and makes food prep easier. Number 5, the 2-layer coffee mug storage box, a smart way to protect and organize your favorite mugs. The 2-tier design keeps mugs separated to help prevent chips and scratches, making it perfect for seasonal storage, moving, or freeing up cabinet space. Its sturdy carrying handles make it easy to transport, while the compact design fits neatly in closets, cabinets, or pantry shelves. Number 6, the Hair Tool Organizer, a simple way to keep your bathroom vanity neat and clutter-free. It provides dedicated storage for your hairdryer, curling iron, flat iron, brushes, and styling products, so everything stays organized and within easy reach. The compact design saves valuable counter space, making it a great addition to bathrooms, vanities, and dressing areas. Number 7, the GripStic Bag Sealers, a simple kitchen essential that helps keep your food fresher for longer. They create a tight seal on open bags of chips, cereal, frozen vegetables, pet food, coffee, and more, no clips or twist ties needed. They're reusable, easy to use, and a great way to reduce food waste while keeping your pantry neat and organized. All the products links are in the description below. Number 8, the Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack, a practical kitchen essential that helps keep your countertops clean and organized. It offers plenty of space for plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and cutting boards, while the built-in drainage system directs excess water into the sink. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and a great fit for apartments, condos, and family kitchens. Number 9, the Sorbus Soda Can Organizer for Refrigerator, a simple way to keep your fridge neat and easy to organize. It neatly stores soda cans, sparkling water, energy drinks, and other canned beverages while making them easy to grab. The stackable design helps maximize refrigerator space, reduce clutter, and keep your favorite drinks organized and within reach. Number 10, the Comforter Storage Bag, a great solution for storing bulky bedding without taking up unnecessary space. It's perfect for comforters, blankets, pillows, quilts, and seasonal linens, helping protect them from dust, moisture, and dirt. The large capacity and sturdy handles make it easy to carry and store in closets, under beds, or on shelving, keeping your home neat and organized. Number 11, the Sinnsally Cabinet Door Organizer, a smart way to make use of unused cabinet space. It hangs neatly over most cabinet doors, creating extra storage for cutting boards, cleaning supplies, foil, plastic wrap, trash bags, and other everyday essentials. The sturdy design helps reduce countertop clutter while keeping frequently used items organized and within easy reach. Number 12, the Travel Vacuum Bags for Clothing, a must-have for travel and home storage. These space-saving bags compress bulky clothes, jackets, sweaters, blankets, and bedding, giving you more room in your suitcase, closet, or underbed storage. They help protect your belongings from dust, moisture, and odors, making packing and organizing easier whether you're traveling or storing seasonal items. Number 13, the Lifewit Underbed Shoe Storage Organizer, a smart way to keep your shoes organized while making use of unused space under your bed. It features multiple compartments to neatly store sneakers, flats, sandals, and other footwear, helping protect them from dust and clutter. The clear top lets you quickly see what's inside, making it easy to find the pair you need while keeping your bedroom looking clean and organized. Number 14, the Clothes Hanger Space-Saving Shirt Organizer, a simple closet upgrade that helps you fit more clothes into less space. The cascading design lets you hang multiple shirts, jackets, sweaters, or pants vertically, maximizing closet space while keeping everything neat and wrinkle-free. It's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and anyone looking to organize a crowded closet. Number 15, the TUNISE Handheld Fan, a compact personal fan that's perfect for staying cool wherever you go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, attending outdoor events, waiting in line, or relaxing at home, it delivers a refreshing breeze with the push of a button. The lightweight, rechargeable design fits easily into a purse, backpack, or pocket, making it a convenient everyday companion. Number 16, the DOQAUS Ice Cube Tray, a freezer essential that makes releasing ice cubes quick and effortless. The flexible silicone bottom lets you pop out individual cubes with ease, while the included lid helps prevent spills and keeps freezer odors away. It's perfect for water, iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, and meal prep, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. Number 17, the OXO Grip Salad Spinner, a kitchen favorite that makes washing and drying leafy greens quick and easy. Simply rinse your lettuce, spinach, herbs, or vegetables, then use the one-handed pump to spin away excess water in seconds. Dry greens help salad dressing stick better and stay crisp longer, making this a must-have tool for anyone who enjoys fresh salads at home. Number 18, the DREO Space Heater, a compact way to add fast, comfortable warmth to your personal space. It's perfect for bedrooms, home offices, dorm rooms, and other small areas where you need extra heat on chilly days. With quick heating, adjustable settings, and built-in safety features like overheat and tip-over protection, it delivers reliable comfort while fitting easily on a desk or floor. Number 19, the Bathroom Mirror for Wall, a simple upgrade that instantly brightens and refreshes your space. Its clean, modern design complements a wide range of bathroom styles while providing a clear reflection for your daily routine. It's perfect above a vanity or sink, helping make smaller bathrooms feel more open, brighter, and more inviting. Number 20, the Avocado Slicer, a quick and easy way to prep avocados without the hassle. It splits, removes the pit, and slices your avocado with one compact tool, making it perfect for avocado toast, salads, sandwiches, and homemade guacamole. It's a simple kitchen gadget that saves time and makes meal prep easier. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and check out the links to all the products in the description below. Thanks for watching.